Hey, Crypto Jimbo here today. This is not my normal recording studio. I'm in Branson with my kids and doing a video for MaxiDoge token. And you might ask, why is he doing a video on this? I mean, this looks weird. The 100% honest answer, they paid me and I have bills to pay. But I'm not here just to say, hey, put all your money into this. This is a great investment. You're going to 1000x if you get in. But there is something to these meme tokens. It's pretty crazy. Again, you look, I mean, this art, not hard to do. The token doesn't really do anything. They don't even pretend really to do anything. They acknowledge that 25% is basically just going to project exposure. 40% is going to marketing like me. 15% is going to the dev. So, I mean, you know that the devs are in this to make money. There's some liquidity, and then you can stake it, which kind of helps stabilize the price of the token a little bit. But despite all that, despite there's no utility in any of these meme tokens, I mean, they've raised $3.8 million. And if you don't really understand what a meme is or why it does well, why communities get into something like this, you're not alone. I don't know if it's something about the younger generation. My kids are into this Roblox game called Steal the Brain Rot, and it's basically the same concept. It's just weird stuff that doesn't make any sense to me, but it makes a lot of people a lot of money. I definitely think that that's part of the appeal to it, is just the chance, people heard about Pepe and they heard about Doge and Shiba Inu, and they thought, hey, maybe this could be where I make my 1000x. I put in, $100 and I make $100,000. There's definitely that get rich quick part of it. But when you're trying to examine a meme token, the key piece is the community. If you get an obsessed community who just loves the theme behind it, it's going to do pretty well. It's going to, catch virality. Is that a word, virality? Yeah, I think it is. Virality. Yes, the tendency of an image or video or piece of information to be circulated rapidly. See, I'm smart. So this is a pure meme token. I mean, this is as meme token as it comes. You look at the roadmap and you think, what are they planning on doing? Well, in the roadmap, drink Red Bull and then 1000x leverage trade. Okay, that's meme token. Quick gym sesh. I mean, so they're not even pretending to do anything, but it's crazy. It's still raising about $4 million. So when you're considering meme tokens, first thing I'll say, don't risk more than you can afford to lose. This is more like a casino than it is an investment. Okay, don't think of meme coins as I'm going to invest in MaxiDoge. It's a gamble. When I'm thinking about things like this, I'm kind of to the point where I do $100. That's kind of where I dip my toes in. And if I put $100 into 10 of these type of projects, it's $1,000. 5 of them just go to zero. Maybe 4 of them are rug pulls. 2 of them maybe do, a little bit. But then I might have one that 100x's, and that usually makes up for it. But second off, if you're looking for which meme tokens are going to do well, check out the community. The community is key. If the community seems obsessed and weird, and when the company tweets, you got all these weird people just obsessed with it, that's usually a good sign. If you look on their Twitter, for this one, they get 1.6. It's hard to tell, you can look through and see if they're, bots are a huge thing on Twitter right now. So, these tokens can definitely pretend that they have an obsessed community. But I definitely could see the appeal to some people of just, I'm kind of curious, what's the next image going to be? Oh, that's interesting. Good theming. I mean, this is pretty clever here. So, but please do not put in more than you can afford to lose. If they rug pull, do not be surprised. If you want to get in, start very small. Join the community. See if you want that. Maybe this is a community you want to be a part of. And then even if the token does well, like if you got in earlier on this, you're doing very well. It's gone up. But it's kind of an art to know when do you get out. Okay, I can pretty much guarantee you in 5 years, this is probably not going to be around. So for me, you can stake your tokens when you buy them, which basically means they're locked up and you get, some kind of reward. I'm not really interested in locking up my meme tokens. I'm not planning on holding any of these long term. If they get a big pump, I'm going to probably exit, as quick as I can. You watch the chart and you see, hey, where's that top going to be? And it is, there's a lot of luck involved. But for some reason, the Crypto Jimbo community loves these. I get sent meme tokens every day. Please check this out. So if you want to get in, I'll leave the link, MaxiDogeToken.com. Please, I'm just going to say, I think this is the third time I've said it. Please do not put your life savings into something like this. If you go to the homepage and it's this, just don't put your life savings in. I know some people did this on Pepe and they made $1 billion. Some people did this with Shiba Inu, made $1 billion. There's a lot more people who lost money than who gained money, okay? So just be careful, be cautious. But let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want me to stop doing meme tokens, quit messaging me about them and I'll stop. But I appreciate you guys very much. I will be back home soon. I'll be back in my studio for the next one. Got some fun videos coming up. I'm on a journey to make a faceless YouTube channel, so go follow Throne Room. I'm also on a new journey to create a dropshipping store, see if I can grow that to $500 a month. So and I got a lot more AI, side hustle stuff on the way. So like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys very much. God bless and have a great rest of the day.